Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called TBC, Time-Based Computation. It is a demonstration of the power of time management and how companies can use it to gain a competitive advantage, especially in the current environment. For companies that makes best use of time as they respond and adapt to changes in the market and other possible conditions and obstacles, they will gain an adaptive advantage compared to the competitors. But time-based computation is about more than just viewing time as a critical resources. It is about time as the basis of strategy. The adaptive advantages of time-based computation can be gained in all phases of company's value chain. To become time-based competitors, companies must execute organizational and structural changes in the following three key areas. One is manufacturing. Companies use just-in-time production and flexible factories, leading to fewer employees being needed to produce more goods in less time with lower cost. Sales and distribution domain. The next step is to optimize this area to prevent loss of any time-based gain from refining the manufacturing process. Finally, when it comes to innovation and product development, companies must bring out products faster than their competitors when it comes to innovation cycle. So possibly this could lead to change of manufacturing strategy, and in the current retail and the e-commerce environment, they are promising delivery within 10 minutes or 30 minutes. In such situation, make to stock may be becoming more preferable manufacturing strategy. Thanks for watching. Bye.